Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Madan Mohan. Today I'm going to talk about objects in JavaScript. Objects can actually help us in order to store the data, just like arrays. But here in objects, we'll be using key and value pairs in order to store the data. Let me show you how to create an object and how can we actually store the data and how to access it. Let's say I'm going to create an object called MS and I'm going to add values onto it. Currently, it's a new object which is empty. This is how we declare an object or we create an object. Let name of the object equals to flower braces. It's an empty object. Now we are going to add properties onto the object. In order to add properties, we are going to use key and value pairs. What exactly mean by a key and value? These keys can actually help us in order to access the value which is there inside. Okay, we'll be adding multiple properties inside the object. Each and every property value will be associated with a key. These keys can actually help us in order to access a specific value inside the object. Now let's see how to add the data and how to access it. Say ODI, rough numbers. Now here ODI is a key and this one is a value. Similar way, I'm going to add a few more here. A few things that you need to understand here. Key value pairs are separated with a comma. Next, one more thing, whenever I am adding a value here, if it is a number, we can actually directly add it. It is a string. String needs to be included inside the quotes. MS Dhoni is the name of the object inside which we'll have key value pairs. All the names before the colon are keys and after the colon are values. Now, in order to access any value inside the object, we are going to use key. Let me show you how to access it. Alert. First, let me alert complete object and see the output. Refresh. See, it is an object. Now, in order to access a specific value inside the object, we are making use of the key. Let's see how it is. MS Dhoni dot ODI. See this. It is showing 300 just because ODI is a key which is associated with a value called 300. Let's try with the other one. Full name. See this. Like this, you can create an object and you can store any sort of data inside the object and you can access it whenever you want it. And also, is this the only way to create an object? Of course not. There is one more way in order to create an object, guys. Let searching, that is name of the object, and new object. This is another way of creating an object. This is all about how can we create an object and how to add data into it and how can we actually access the data inside the object.